Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's time for a review video. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a review video slash install video on the light in the garage here at the new house. And let me show you real quick. Oh yeah, that's yeah. Let me show you real quick what we got with the door shut, so we can do a before and after comparison. Oh yeah, that's just beautiful. It just lights up the whole area just wonderfully. Yeah, I can totally see what I'm doing. Let me show you what we're going to be installing today. We've got this 210 watt comparison LED high bay light. Let me show you this thing. Look at this. Look at this beast. This should brighten up the garage a lot. It's very easy to install. 3 wires. It's got these hooks so you can hang it from the ceiling. Make life a lot easier. You know, get the job done easy. And I'm gonna hang it right over there. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing, and we'll be back to show you what it looks like all hooked up. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, that'll work for now. I think that'll be okay. Let me show you what I did. Alright, so check it out. Got it all wired up. I plugged it into one of these little adapter deals for the light socket for now, because I want to be able to use the switch that's over there on the wall. And I got it all into the ceiling with some hooks. And yes, I checked the rating on the hooks. They are double the amount of weight capacity for this light. But man, let me show you the difference now. This thing is a beast. Bro, let's shut the door. That is a huge difference. Massive difference. Oh my goodness. I don't recommend looking directly at it, but a link for this particular item will be in the description box. Woof. Just imagine if I had like 6 of these things in here. I think that might be overkill, but you can never have, no, I'm saying it wrong. Can never have enough light. Yeah, I think I said it right. But you know what I mean. Link is in the description box below. Go light up your spaces. Do it now!